Okay, so I have the hiccups, and so my mom does this really cool thing, and she hypnotizes people basically.
Okay. All right.
I hate
So, everybody quiet, including you guys on the live. All right, look at me, Lex. Face me. All right. So say it again. What's wrong with you?
I have the hiccups.
The hiccups. All right, ready?
Are you gonna get rid of them?
Okay. All right. So this is a trick that everyone can learn that's really cool about having the hiccups. All right, you ready? Okay. Close your eyes. Okay. Now, first of all, imagine a big blank space. Then there's nobody here. Okay? Okay. You're going to take a very slow, deep breath in. Okay, you're going to push the air in your mouth, down your throat, down your chest, and into your stomach. All the hiccup bubbles are joining together for one big bubble. Push it up your stomach, up your chest, up into your throat. Now blow out your hiccups. Let's see.
Survey says good.
Are they gone?
Yeah, that's cool.
So, mind over matter. You can actually hypnotize the hiccups right out of you. Are they gone?
And sometimes you can tell someone hiccup, and eventually they'll stop. If that works.
Yes.
It doesn't work on me anymore.
When you're older and you're more rebellious, you can just tell somebody hiccup now, hiccup, and they'll stop hiccuping just because they're rebellious. So anyway, we're going to share this to our something, and thought you guys might want to learn how to get rid of hiccups. All right. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.